In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Bitget wallet to Binance. And if you have USDT in your Bitget wallet and you love to send it to your Binance, I'm going to show you how you can do that. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Now, at first, what you need to do, you need to confirm or you need to know the network you're going to be sending, or you're going to be enabling this transaction to go well for you. So let's say if you want to send the USDT on the BIP20 network to your Binance, what you need to do, you need to go to your Binance, click on this search, come on here, type in USDT, wait for it to open up. Okay, so this is it. So what you need to do, if we want to send the USDT BIP20 from our Bitget wallet to Binance, click on this add, click on the first option. Now you're going to be able to see a list of networks, right? So wait for it to open up. So once it has opened up, the second option. So once you click on the second option, you're going to be able to get your USDT BIP20 wallet address. So once you have gotten it, go to your Bitget wallet. So come on here, type in USDT. So this is it. So click on this, click on withdraw, click on the first option. So what you need to do now, you need to see, look at this, choose a network. So click on it. So we copied the USDT BIP20 wallet address on our Binance. So what we're going to do, we're going to select the first option because it's the BIP20 USDT. So click on it. So come on here and paste your wallet address. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you're done, click on the withdraw down here. You're going to be able to carry out the necessary verification needed to be sure that you're the one that is doing this. So this is basically how you can be able to send USDT from Bitget wallet to Binance. And one thing that you should be very sure of the network you're transacting here, so as you'll be able to not lose your funds, right? So this is very, very necessary. Be very careful of the network you're transacting on. So there's the BIP20, there's the TRC20, there's the Polygon chain, there's the Ton chain, like there's a whole lot of them. So be very sure the one you're transacting with. So you can see there's a whole lot of them. So this still applies to all of them. If you get your Binance USDT AVAX wallet address, you can be able to send USDT as well on the AVAX chain, on the Polygon, on the Arbitrum, on the Tron, and all of them. So this is how you can do this. If you found this educational tutorial helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.